Hello students, in this video we are going to solve sum of subset problem using tabular method. So the problem statement is given over here. We have given a set which is denoted by capital W and we have given total 6 numbers in this set. So I can write n is equals to 6. Now we have given m value as a 30. So we need to find out a subset where addition of a number is going to be 30. While solving the numerical, we don't have to find out all the possible subset. We have to just find out one subset. So let us start with the numerical. So first of all, we need to draw 3 columns. First column where we are going to write down the subset. Second is sum and third is description. In description, we are going to write down solution vector. When we will start the numerical, initially as we have not selected any number from the given set, so initially set is going to be empty, so sum will be 0, and as no number is selected from the given set, so solution vector is represented as x is equals to 0, that is none of the number is selected from the given set. Now let us start with the numerical and we have to go for the second step where we are going to select first number, that is 5. So here I'll write in set 5 has been selected, sum is going to be 5, and as sum is less than 30, then so 5 can be easily added to the subset. So 5 is the first number in the set, so as I'm using 5 as a part of subset, so I'll write it as 1 and remaining will be written as 0. Next we are going to select element 10, so 5 comma 10, addition is 15 which is smaller than 30, so 1 1 and remaining are going to be 0. We have considered first 2 elements. Now we'll go for the next one. Here we are going to consider 5, 10, 12. So here the addition is 27 which is less than 30. So we are going to add all the 3 numbers to the solution vector. So associated value will be set to 1 and rest all will be set to 0. Next number which I am going to consider is 5, 10, 12 and 13. This is the number. So here when I perform addition of this number, the addition is 40 which is greater than 30. Okay, so here addition of this number exceeds the given value 13. So in that scenario we are not going to add this last element 30 and we have to backtrack to the previously added number. So here my solution vector will remain same because I am not going to add this 13. If I add this 13 then the addition become 40 which is not acceptable. So here solution vector will remain same and I am going to backtrack. So when you will backtrack, you are going to the previous number which was added to the subset was 12. So now let us consider next number. Let us try with the value 15 by skipping 30. So here we are going to skip 13 and will consider 15. So as we know that 15 is greater than 13, so definitely value is going to be greater than the 30. So here the addition will be 42. If I add all this together, 42 is going to be greater than 30, and in that case solution vector will remain same because I am not going to add 15 and we need to backtrack. Again we are going to backtrack to the previously added element to the subset, that is 12. Let us try for the next number from the set 10, 12 and last is 18. So again, if I add it together, my addition is going to be 45, which is greater than 30, and in that scenario my solution vector will remain same, as we are not adding 18 as a solution. So we need to backtrack the previously added element 12. So here what is the observation? As numbers are written in an ascending order, so here the conclusion is if I add 13 to the previously added number, value exceeds the 30. So there is no point in adding remaining number like 15 and 18. The total addition is definitely going to be greater than 30. In that scenario we have to backtrack. So now we have backtracked to the previously added element 12. So now we have realized that whatever element we added after 12, it is always going to exceed the value than 30. In that scenario, this 12 is not giving me right answer, so I have to backtrack to the previously added number 10. So in that scenario, what I'll do is I'll consider 5, 10 and I'm going to skip this 12 because right now I'm at 10. I have already added 10, and rather than considering 12, let us consider 13. Okay, so my next set will be 5, 10, 13. So the addition is going to be 28, which is smaller than 30. So this set is acceptable, and the associated value we will write it to 1. Now here we are not considering 12, so it will be write it as a 0. We are considering 30, write it as 1, and remaining numbers will be again set to 0. We'll go for the next set. Here we need to understand one thing. Next number which we are going to try is 15. So my set will be 5, 10, 13 and 15. So what is the observation over here is this is again going to exceed the value 30 because 43 is greater than 30. So in that scenario we'll continue with, we are not going to add this 15 and we'll continue with the previous solution vector, that is 1 1 0 1 0 0. And obviously we need to backtrack. So let us try for next number 5, 10, 13, 18, and obviously 18 is greater than 15, so definitely it is not going to make the addition 30. So we'll not consider this and solution vector will remain same and backtrack. So when we will backtrack, we will definitely go back to the last number which was added to the subset, that is 10. So let us try for the another 5, 10. We tried for 12 but we couldn't find proper subset. We tried for 13, we couldn't find subset. Now let us keep 12, 13 and consider next number as 15. So my set will be 5, 10 and 15. So addition of this is 30, which is equals to value m 30. So here I'll write the solution vector, that is 1, 1, 0, 0. 15 is considered, so I'll write it as 1, and 18 is not considered, so it will be 0. So this is the solution which I have got over here. So this is the one subset which I have got for the given subset problem. So while solving the numerical, we don't have to find out all the subset, we just need to find out only one subset. Thank you.